She's in the sure. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm Bill Stanford.
Thank you. And Ms. Norman, can you hear us?
I can.
All right. And could you state your name, please?
Susie Norman.
All right. Now, folks, where are we on this case?
Judge Simpson, the last time we were in your court, I objected to Mr. Stanford's claims, and you instructed me to send my evidences, which I sent on January 15th via certified mail to 141A and to Mr. Stanford. I checked the tracking numbers to make sure that those evidences reached you guys, and they have reached the court, but set on the 24th, and they did reach Mr. Stanford on the 22nd, but he didn't pick up that package as yet. I also did email the court my evidences. They couldn't accept the video. However, in my evidence that I mailed are the flash drives with the video on it of when Mr. Stanford and myself was in your courtroom on 10/22 of 2024. And you asked Mr. Stanford 2 questions. 1, are you waiving rent? And 2, are you waiving monetary damages? And he responded yes to both of those. I have the video on my laptop. I don't know, maybe I can screen share it. I'm not very tech savvy.
Did you send us, so you sent flash drives of that video?
Correct.
To the court?
I did. And to Mr. Stanford.
It's closed. It's possible it's not here because it would have gone to the mailroom if it wasn't received until the 22nd.
Oh,
She said
December?
No, she said January 22nd. So it's possible because it's certified mail that gone to the mailroom and we were closed on the 23rd and yesterday.
Yeah, I know it's possible closures.
Pardon?
I was saying I know that the court was closed.
Yeah, the
So
court
I didn't
was
know.
closed, and I don't. Mr. Stanford, do you have video?
She sent me a flash drive. I could not see anything on that flash drive.
Got it.
There was nothing that I could get to display.
Okay. All right. So let's. So Ms. Norman, and we think it's because of the court closures that the court wasn't open, so it went back to the mailroom. So I don't have what you sent. Now, if you sent it, you said you sent it to the email address also?
I did, and the response I received was that they couldn't accept that. I needed to send it on CD or flash drive, which I did send it on the flash drive. It's
Who
just
said they couldn't accept it?
it was the email that is it Weidling, Miss Ann Weidling? She provided to me. She provided an email to
No, I know.
evidences.
You provided the email, but who told you that they couldn't accept it that way?
It was just a response back from whoever monitors those emails. They did get Exhibit B, but they couldn't accept the flash drive. And I did send it.
I believe it's a clerk's office response. I let her know yesterday. I couldn't confirm if the evidence had been received because of the court closure.
They couldn't accept it.
Do you want me to ask if they have something they can forward to me?
Who?
The clerk's office from the general email?
Well, she can't send a flash drive through an email, right?
Correct. I think she said she sent the video through the email and the clerk's office said they needed the video on.
On a flash. Oh, I got you. Okay.
And I'm asking Spencer now. look at the incoming mail to see if they have the certified file.
Okay, but Ms. Norman, just so that I'm clear, I just want to make sure I'm absolutely clear on this. What you sent through or attempted to send via email is the same thing that you sent certified mail to the court.
Correct. I wanted it to be
No,
received.
that's fine. I just want to make sure I get the stuff and can look at it before we can move ahead, because I frankly can't do much today, I don't think, because I think Mr. Sanders indicating he can't open the flash that he has, and I don't have it. So I can't even try to, if I had it, then we might try to make a copy that he could at least look at, but I don't even have it. And I don't, even if it's in the building, I can't.
I can
would
try
be
and
able-
screen share it, or I can send it to, I can try and screen share it. I have it right here,
Well-
or I can send it to Ms. Weidling's email.
Can we turn her up a little bit?
You need it up? Okay. Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you repeat what you just said, Ms. Norman?
I have it sitting here. I can try
Okay.
to screen share it so Mr. Stanford and yourself can watch it, or I can send it to Ann's email.
I think here's what we're gonna have to do. I don't want to do it by a screen share, only
Okay.
because I think Mr. Stanford, he should be able to look at it so he can respond. I don't want him to have to try to respond, just, see it for the first time and then have to respond. Can we make a call up real quick to the clerk's office to see?
So they have the mail. I did that. They have the mail. They're going through it now. It's a lot of mail to sort through to see if they have.
Because it's 4 days of mail. All right. All right. Folks, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to save us all some time, because otherwise I could sit here, and I don't mind doing that, but I think you guys probably have better things to do. They've got 4 or 5 days of mail to get through, which is a lot coming into the court. So to even ask them, it would be unfair for me to ask them to try to find it, pull that out. I'm going to give you guys an adjourn date to come back. Hopefully I will have that by then. I don't know what you received it, but can't open it.
That's right.
Did he bring it with him?
I do have it here. All that was on mine was, the instructions for some software in multiple languages. That was the only thing that was on my flash drive.
There were 3 things. 2 of them, it was the software, but the third one, there was a play button, and you play that.
Yeah, no,
Okay, so here's what we'll do. Because we've got very strong antivirus stuff. So I'll adjourn this out to, all right, I'll adjourn this out to February 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. What I will do is, however, I don't know if there's something we can see what he has. Do you feel confident trying to do?
I mean, I would have done that with what she gave us anyways.
It would have been the same
It
thing,
would have been the
right?
same thing.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. I'll do that. We will, we'll conclude the hearing. Mr. Stanford, my staff is gonna see if it can be opened or not,
the one I've got.
the one you got.
Okay.
See if we can do that. If that can be done, then he has his copy and we'll figure that out. We will see whether we get your copy, Ms. Norman, of that, and then we can look at it. If for whatever reason, I guess the backup plan would be, if for whatever reason, when my staff looks at what you have and some glitch happened, can't be opened, then we'll wait for what you sent us, Ms. Norman, And then I'll have my staff try to send something to you with what we have, if we can, if that's the only one that works, okay? So we'll try to do it that way, and that way we can maybe do something productive on the 10th.
Okay, that's fine.
All right?
I'll just fly in.
If it becomes, hang on, if it becomes a problem, then what we'll do is my staff will be in contact with you, Ms. Norman, to try to get it all here in some fashion and
Okay.
then get it to the plaintiff in this case. All right?
Okay,
Okay. So
Thank you.
February 10th, 2026, 9 a.m.
okay.
All right. And I'll say to Mr. Stanford, you stay warm. It's probably a lot warmer where you are.
It is. It is. Sun is always shining here.
Yeah, see, that's a problem. Here, it's shining, but temperature's not right.